Pull up in motorcades. I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate. Choppers a throwaway. Hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me, huh? They think I know the way. Cause I took control of things. Ballin' the solo way. And if you pattern my trend, I make you my protege. Crossing that soldier race. Niggas don't know them days. Take you in back of the buildings. Make you expose your rage. Take you across the tracks. Make you explode the face. Now you official now. But you got a soul to save. I just been cooking that new. I'm about to drop in a few. Think if I call it the great, the people gon' call it the truth. I ain't really trip on the credit. I just paid all of my dues. I just respected the game. Now my name all in the news. Tripping on all of my moves. Quote me on this, got a lot more to prove. Remember I came in this bitch, fresh out the county with nothing to lose.
No, wanna count on you, but I don't do this shit for nothing. No, no, not at all. You, my money real, that you do. So I don't do this shit for nothing.
What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Happy Monday. Back on it. As usual, do a little recap from the last session, which was Friday. Wanted to see continuation of this bullish order flow, right? We traded higher, didn't get quite a shift in market structure. Oh, actually, we got this 1 minute displacement. Oh, that's right. We got this 1 minute displacement out of here, right? Out of this 15-minute imbalance. Too wide. Waiting for the second displacement. Someone got it here. Wanted to see if that would hold. All right, we go back to that buy-side liquidity, which was those relatively equal highs. Surprisingly, didn't quite get up there, right? And we ended up working our way down, right? And let's see, was it a shift in market structure on the 15-minute? Yeah, shift in market structure, small fair value gap right there after taking the short-term low. Traded to it right after lunch. Then we got some displacement to the downside. And that is where we're currently kind of at right now. Right, but anticipating we would purge those relatively equal highs. Got some inefficiency above it as well. Alright, so that's just buy side liquidity. Well, we ended up leaving it for later. As for this week, we did end up creating this weekly busy after taking these short-term highs here. Are they relatively equal? They're off by like one tick. End up creating this busy. Alright, so I would anticipate this week we come down, tap into this weekly busy, right, and continue working our way up higher. Alright, that's what I can see us forecasting into the future. Alright, maybe come down, purge some of the sell side liquidity that we've been building up. I don't know if we'll quite get down deep enough to feel this inefficiency, but definitely possible. We'll have to see what happens on this 4 hour, how the 4 hour order flow ends up, what we end up doing here, right? Maybe, oh yeah, that's looking very clean right there, right? Once we do get possible, let's say, displacement below a short-term low, we can do like a little fake shift in market structure and just purge this liquidity, fill this inefficiency in, purge these sell side liquidity, right? And then continue working our way up higher. But until then, right, we're still bullish. Alright, we're still bullish. We're gonna still continue wanting to see this bullish order flow until we get that shift in market structure, which we still have yet to have. Alright, we still have yet to have. Let's check out the 1 hour. I mean, I see this as a huge leg up here, right? And then we kind of just chill out here, right? Then I want to see maybe if it wants to get displacement to the downside inside of here, right? But we don't get any displacement below short-term low until right here, right? Short-term low, displacement. Right, so maybe we can see the bearish order flow continue from London session. Right, but I mean, I wouldn't even say that too. We got a short-term low here, right? We're below previous day's low. We didn't get a shift in market structure higher on the lower time frames. So, and we just built up some buy side liquidity, right? These relatively equal highs here. Let's see if that's on the 15-minute as well. Yeah, it's on the 15-minute as well. Right, that buy side liquidity. We also have that single high inside this imbalance here. It's also buy side liquidity. Right, so maybe we purge some of this liquidity down here, right? This sell side liquidity, right? Get a shift in market structure higher, right? And well, there's no really imbalances or anything to see price stick. Also, there's not a short-term low till we get down here, so it's not looking the cleanest, honestly, right now, as of like order flow to try to get up here and purge these relatively equal highs. At least not quite yet.
We go so hard until we fall. Won't take no loss. Won't take days off. We go so hard until we fall. A nigga used to dream my reality to dream now. Nigga used to dream my reality to dream now. I'm living out my dreams now. Living out my dreams now.
Generating some relative equal lows here. Alright, but we don't it's not looking too clean just quite yet. Maybe it's holding up price in anticipation for Jerome Powell speaking later. He's speaking at 1:55 p.m. today, EST. It's also the last day of the month. Alright, so this monthly candle's gonna close up about 1%. Right, about what is that? 113 basis points. Alright, that's all. Let's kind of lay out the landscape of the land here. Alright, we got some. We got NFP, I believe, going on this week. Yeah, NFP Friday. Got unemployment claims. Alright, we got a few red folders going on, so should we get some good volatility this week? Usually the Monday before NFP is sometimes it sets up for good opportunities, but not seeing that being displayed today. Right now, not quite yet. Not quite yet. Got some minor sell side liquidity right here.
And if we live in a hell, is it alright to sin? I had a goal to chase, a life to live. I try to wash my hands, pull me right back in.
They're coming up on that 10:30 turn here in about 5 minutes. Alright, but we got a lot of red folders going on this week, so should be plenty of opportunities.
It's never enough to console her. Tell her your daddy a soldier. She needs you right now in this moment. Now dead on your back pushing roses. To me, I'm just carving a sculpture and fine-tuning my approaches. Doubling back as the owner. The moment of truth is opponents. Call them promoters.
Rolling with my friends, not a worry. Then we get stopped by the police. Gotta make it home to my baby. These days niggas going crazy. Gotta make it home to my baby. These days niggas say me. Gotta make it home to my baby.
Alright, trading down to this volume imbalance here. Alright, we didn't quite get a shift in market structure to the upside on the 15 minutes, so I wouldn't have too much faith in price sticking, honestly. Maybe just short term, right? Just to purge up some buy side liquidity. Could be wrong, but that's what just I'm anticipating right now. Yeah, just kind of we're under that previous day low. That's the only thing I see. But other than that, nothing too crazy going on here.
Back on that shootout at the beach, 20 deep. You tried to squeeze your gun jammed and they released. Blood on your teeth. How many stains? I see 3. The bitch started to panic, so I made her switch seats. Driving now. Police chopper here flying now. Really not too spooked. Commonly ask me, am I dying now? All I know is keep you.
Alright, we are taking out the short-term high here, but we have relatively equal lows. Right, so not valid as a short-term low. Alright. Also closing majority of that fair value gap that it left open. Even here, relatively equal highs, right? So that's not a short-term high either. Alright, so just be sitting on the hands. More than likely would just be sitting on the hands today. Alright, coming up on that 10:30 turn here.
Legendary moves, leader of my crew. Heavy is the head that wear the crown, that shit true. Do it like Nip Hustle, that's to fill some big shoes. And what good is excuses when the fucking Bristol? Smoking all this Sindo. Run away from my pain, rosemary on my temples. Heard that's good for migraines. Solo in my benzo. Exit off the highway. Solitary thoughts like how to reinvest my side chain.
I'm tryna go down, down as a grave. Every night I get on my knees and pray. I will go down, yeah. I will go down, yeah. I'm tryna go down, down as a lich. Every night I aim, God for the bliss. Yeah, I will go down, yeah. I will go down, yeah.
Nah, so many niggas doing time. Who are you and I? To play with it, it's a blessing, so reach for the sky. Pick up Shady off the block and we'll smoke and drive. Politicking on the block to make it multiply. Keep some bitches on the team from the other side. Keep at least a pound of green, motherfucking right. 30 hours in the spot, going overtime. Then we pull up to the Fox and don't hold a dime. You know this life, it got a cold design. How you go from eating lobster tail to the ocean prime? The chain to a smoker and throw it on the line. But when them gates close, keep an open mind. It ain't no force in this world like a focus drive. You gotta focus on yourself like an only child. You make your dream realer and you make your team better. You wake your game up and you make your scheme better.
They say this time, won't be like the last time, But this time, I'ma do it like my last time. I'ma go hard, my nigga. Put my name in the stars, my nigga. I gotta pray to God, my nigga. I will go down,
Look, I'm from West Side, California. They run up on you. Ask you where you from and check your tats under your clothing. Hustle, go hard, make sure my knot's swollen. Fuck you, say the wrong hood, bullets explode, and I trust you. People these days, cause that's gold. I see niggas get killed for who they roll with and chose to keep inside they circle, Satan sitting on your sofa. Same nigga that shot you was the one you used to smoke with. Cold shit, my whole clique notorious. You heard of us, 6 souls is murderers. You still serving clubs, jealous nigga, you broke as fuck. Yo bitch on my nuts, spilling Patron out my cup, she can't get enough. Buffing me down as I puff on the finest kush. They say I be doing too much, I just do my stuff. Yeah, I just do my stuff. Hustle, hustle, blue laces, shield cases, check bodies, we don't leave no traces. Big faces, suitcases, if you ain't no hoe, we get paid, bitch. Blue laces, shield cases, check bodies, we don't leave no traces. Big faces.
Our possible shift on the 5-minute here. Short-term high. We came up above it, but I would want to see a strong close here, right? And then leave open this fair value gap right here. But I'm pretty sure this range is pretty wide. Yeah.
Granny 88, she had my uncle in there. A miscarriage back to back every year for like 10. Pregnant with niggas always gotta learn the hard way. We gon' tape it off if we ball play. Put a half a moon crescent on your ball fade. Police hit the lights, that's a car chase. Looking back at my life, make my heart race. Dance with the devil and test all faith. I was thinking chess moves, but it was God grace. Crooked ass whoever till we all straight. With no shame, I peep game and it's all fake.
All right, looking like we're gonna get a pretty strong close here on the 5-minute. It's a little bit later in the session, but would want to see price trade down here, get another shift to market structure, aiming for these relatively equal highs. If we don't purge that buy side liquidity already. Alright, getting there pretty quick, not really feeling any imbalances in. So maybe we're just going up here to purge some liquidity. Right, just purge some liquidity, maybe turn the other way afterwards. I can see that happening. But with that being said, it's already late in the session for me. We got a lot of news this week going on. We'll pick back up tomorrow in the morning and kind of take it from there. All right, we got NFP this week, and yeah, it'll be a good week. That being said, appreciate everybody for tuning in. Catch you guys tomorrow. Until then, peace out.